Fire engines, the iconic vehicles designed to combat fires and protect lives and property, have a rich and storied history that dates back to ancient civilizations. From early manual firefighting methods to the powerful and specialized fire engines of today, the evolution of these essential emergency vehicles reflects the constant pursuit of improved firefighting techniques and technology. Early firefighting efforts. The history of fire engines can be traced back to ancient times when communities relied on simple manual methods to combat fires. Buckets, water-filled bags, and primitive pumps were used to form human bucket brigades and extinguish flames. Hand-drawn fire engines. In the 16th and 17th centuries, hand-drawn fire engines emerged in Europe. These early engines were equipped with manual pumps and required a group of firefighters to pull them to the fire scene. The Newsham fire engine. In 1721, Richard Newsham, an English engineer, patented an improved fire engine design that incorporated a rotary pump, making firefighting efforts more efficient. Steam fire engines. The 19th century saw significant advancements in fire engine technology with the introduction of steam-powered fire engines. These steam engines were mounted on horse-drawn carriages and could deliver water more forcefully, enabling firefighters to tackle larger fires. Horse-drawn steam fire engines. By the mid-1800s, horse-drawn steam fire engines became prevalent in many cities worldwide. The steam-powered pumps could deliver water at higher pressures, and the use of horses improved response times and mobility. Motorized fire engines. In the early 20th century, motorized fire engines replaced horse-drawn models. The advent of internal combustion engines significantly increased the speed and reliability of fire engines, further enhancing firefighting capabilities. Aerial ladder trucks. In the early 1900s, aerial ladder trucks were introduced, equipped with extendable ladders to reach tall buildings and facilitate rescue operations. These trucks proved invaluable in urban firefighting scenarios. Specialized firefighting vehicles. Throughout the 20th century, fire departments developed specialized vehicles to handle different types of emergencies. These include hazmat, hazardous materials, units, rescue squads, and urban search and rescue teams. Advanced firefighting technology. In modern times, fire engines are equipped with advanced technology, including thermal imaging cameras, integrated communication systems, and improved water delivery mechanisms, allowing firefighters to respond more effectively and safely. Environmental considerations. With increasing concerns about the environment, fire departments have explored more environmentally friendly options, such as compressed natural gas, CNG, and electric fire engines, to reduce emissions and the ecological impact. The history of fire engines is a testament to the constant evolution of firefighting technology and techniques. From ancient bucket brigades to the modern, specialized vehicles used today, fire engines have played a crucial role in protecting lives and property from the devastating effects of fires. As technology continues to advance, fire departments will strive to equip themselves with the latest tools and innovations to effectively respond to emergencies and safeguard communities from the threat of fire.